Hello guys, this will just be a tutorial on how to, this is strictly for educational purposes. I will teach you guys how to avoid clicking on malicious links when attempting to download um, images from the internet, like disk images. Um, so the first thing you're going to want to use is Firefox. I would not use Chrome because they are discontinuing uBlock Origin. So what you're going to do is you're going to use Firefox, and you're going to find the Firefox add-on page. You're going to go into the three bars. You're going to go to add-on and themes, and you want to search up here, and you do uBlock Origin, and then this will come up, and you can install this. Alright, mine's already installed, so I don't need to, but you install it, and once that's done, now you're going to need to find the disk image you want. I want to download Zelda Wind Waker. So I want to type that into Google with the words image download. These are all, I'm getting mostly here actual pictures, not like disk images. So we're gonna type in like ISO image, because that's like an image extension. So ISO is the Wind Waker ISO download. But say you want a different game like F-Zero. So you want F-Zero GX ISO download. So now we got what we want. We're finding some results like this. You want them to say like ISO EU, like in the console name it's for, like that kind of stuff. And then you want to go ahead and open up the website and go to download, and then choose which region you want. Sometimes it asks you. Other times you can just open up the website and hit save game, and then it'll eventually give you a download. These are just examples of some websites that offer downloads and how to use them, and what kind of file formats you'll get. For example, this one's giving me an ISO file. Some of these websites, though, they'll actually they'll give you like 7-zip files. For example, we can go here and get download. This just says here a 7Z file. You see here 7Z, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to handle both of them. So if you get a 7Z file, you'll need a software called 7-zip. You can go to 7-zip.org or Google 7-zip. You'll see www.7-zip.org. Go to their website, go to download the Windows 64-bit, save. Okay, download it. It exists. I already downloaded it before, but it's okay. Open it, and then you'll want to do install. Okay, and I already have 7-zip open, so I'll close it first and hit retry. But yours should just should say installed. Then you open up 7-zip. Oops. Open up 7-zip and do tools, options, and go to system, do associate 7-zip with, and do plus. If it goes like these icons, hit it again, but you want it to all be these 7-zip icons. Hit apply, hit OK. You can just close that now. And now, after your download's done, if you have a 7Z file, what you want to do is go to your downloads folder, find your 7Z file. These are from Wind Waker files, but it could be whatever game you downloaded. If it's a 7-zip or a zip or a RAR file, it'll all be the same. You just double click the file, or if that's not working, right click the file, go to 7-zip and do open archive. Now you need to find out which micro SD card, or like you need to figure out where you want to move this file. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to move these disk images, just really quickly to a micro SD card. I'm going to plug my micro SD card into a USB stick. And it should populate here. So the new one is the D drive. So that is my micro SD. If you don't already have one, you want to do you want to make a ROMs or a games folder. I'll show you guys how to do that right now while I'm lagging. But so go to your micro SD and write protected. Huh? One sec. Let me remount this drive. If you get an error like that, probably just unplug and replug it back in. And then go here. And I'm just gonna delete this as an example. But you guys wanna make a ROMs folder or a games folder. You can call it ROMs or games, it doesn't matter. I'll just make both. And Now, let's go back there. Actually, go back to our D drive, which is the micro SD. Let's open up a new tab. You can just open up a new window as well on Windows 10 or whatever you're using. Let's go back to our downloads folder. Let's find our 7Z folder, and now let's go back to the micro SD. Let's just drag and drop the ISO that's inside the 7Z file into the folder. Should extract and then start moving over. So that's how you handle it if it's a 7Z file. If it's a .iso file, what you want to do is go back to your downloads, find the ISO file, right click it and press copy, then go back to your micro SD and go into your games folder. And instead of using 7-zip, we're just going to paste the file in here. Let's do this one on ROMs, for example, and just paste. Yeah, so back to trying to just avoid malware in general. You want to, using uBlock Origin will be your most important thing, and you want to learn good habits with Google. So say you put in Wind Waker disk image download or something, and say you'll get like a bunch of crap. Like some of it won't be real. Like you say, for example, you don't have uBlock on, you disable uBlock. It might not show me because it might be like just doing it. I think it depends. Like it depends on what you're doing. So if you put in like I don't know, Google on Google, it doesn't show me ads still. Sometimes you'll get ads though. You don't want to click the ads. The ads are malicious. You can get malware. That's the main point of this video. I just want to help people avoid malware. Yeah, don't be downloading any games you don't actually have. It could be illegal to be downloading games like this. Well, these are just the best example I could think of disk images. But yeah, good luck. Thank you guys for watching.